Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In our previous video we discussed clock gating in detail, and I will share the video link in the description section as well as in the I-bar section. You can go through it. But in this particular video I am going to share one particular myth about clock gating. People really do very bad type of RTL coding to implement clock gating. And now without wasting much time, let us get started. Friends, before digging into the video, I want to request you all that we have created various types of membership plans on our channel. As per your need, you can subscribe any one of them, and it will be great support to our channel as well. Friends, few days back I received this code from other team, and they implemented clock gating using RTL logic as shown in your screen. They wrote this module as clock pass through. Input is clock in, input is reset in, output is clock out. Always at the rate passage of the clock in or negage of reset in. If reset in is asserted, that means reset is active, clock output will be always equal to 0. If this module is out of reset, then clock input they are trying to pass to clock output. That means clock in is passed to clock out. Friends, now I have few questions for you. My very first question is in yes or no. Will this logic work as a clock gating logic or no? You just need to type yes or no in the comment section. And my second question is, what will be its digital logic? Friends, now you can pause my video here. Try to think of its answer. If something comes to your mind, you can write it down in the comment section. Otherwise, I will reveal its solution in the upcoming video. With this, I am going to end this video session. I hope that this would be quite informative for all of you. If you also like such type of videos, please press the like button and you can share your feedback in the comment section. And to get the notification of all the upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and your time.